Okay, let's talk about search. So there's a couple of ways you can utilize the search to best find what you need. So first things first, if you type in the word chicken or egg or broccoli or kale and just hit enter, what's going to happen is ingredients are going to come up first. So these are all just plain old ingredients. So say, for example, I'm having grilled chicken breasts. Obviously, typing in chicken would work, chicken tenders, rotisserie chicken, all the things. Now, if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll find, I'll scroll down a lot further. Okay, so you'll see different chicken recipes like this Thai larb guy, whatever it may be, that kind of stuff. Notice how these don't have a number next to them. Those are not a Healthy Passion recipe. That's actually a recipe from the internet that someone has entered. So if you click it, nothing's going to happen. If you scroll down a little bit further, though, you'll see where it says HP 477. That means it's in a Healthy Passion recipe. So if you click it, you'll be able to find the recipe and cook. So say, for example, you're looking for a specific recipe. You're wanting something to cook. You don't just want an ingredient. You can type in, if I could spell, broccoli recipe. And what that'll do is it'll bypass all of the broccoli ingredients and go straight to the recipes. So if you want to cook a recipe, adding the recipe after the search term will definitely help you find it more quickly.